How to log in SafePal Wallet account 2025 SafePal Wallet sign in. So if you want to sign into your SafePal Wallet account, it is actually quite a simple process as long as you have your recovery phrase or you have backed them up to your Google Drive or iCloud. Open the SafePal Wallet app and just make sure to log into your account. Now over here you can see it says add existing wallet. Tap on add existing wallet and simply choose and create a security password. Now if you know your import wallet, right? So if you know your recovery phrase, you can simply type in a recovery phrase right here and tap on next to import it. But if you have backed them up to your Google Drive or iCloud, you can see it says import from my cloud backup, so I can simply select that. So once I select import, you can see just choose the Google account where you have selected. You'll find the wallet if you have backed up. Tap on that. Now you simply have to verify the backup password. Once you verify the backup password and tap on next, you'll be able to successfully log in or import your wallet on SafePal. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.